Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Old Navy Cash online. So without any delay, let's jump to our video. First, open a web browser in your phone or PC. Now click on the search bar and search Old Navy. Click on the first website, oldnavy.gap.com. After doing all the stuffs, simply go to your cart. Now you can see an option for applying your promo code. Put the promo code and apply it to get amazing rewards. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.